Hey, my name is Anthony Carroll. So it's a brand new year, a brand new channel, and my very first video on YouTube. So I wanted to take a quick second and talk about who I am, kind of my experiences, the goals that I set for myself as far as my brand and this channel is concerned, and what you can expect going forward. So let's get after it. So who am I? Again, my name is Anthony Carroll. I'm 37 years old, originally from Georgia, but I live in Arizona now. I'm an active duty soldier, currently a first sergeant stationed at Fort Huachuca, Arizona. Me and my wife, we've been married for going on 15 years now. She's been awesome. Multiple deployments, TDYs, late nights, that kind of stuff that's associated with the military life. We got 3 great kids. My older 2 are actually attending college at the University of Arizona, and our youngest daughter is 10, still hanging out at the house with mom and dad. So experience. Growing up, my grandfather, we called him Papa, he watched me while my parents were at work. So some of my first memories were hanging out with Papa in his wood shop, watching him take this raw material and create, cabinets for the house or little knickknacks, his presents and stuff of that nature. Growing up, my grandfather, as well as my dad and my 2 uncles, built houses as kind of a side hustle. So when I wasn't in school, I was with them, just kind of soaking it all in. Later in life, being a homeowner, doing some remodel work, the random honey-do item, either a Lego table for the kids or building a bookshelf, things of that nature. And then I started a side hustle of my own. Actually, my wife got into it, and I kind of joined in, and we started refinishing furniture. And so we had a 20 by 20 storage unit that we just filled with furniture from estate sales or Facebook Marketplace and things of that nature, and cleaned it up, threw some chalk paint on it, whatever the case was, refinished it, and listed it back for sale. And we did that for a couple years while we were in North Carolina. So what are my goals? With the business, worst case scenario is I have a hobby that can pay for itself. Best case scenario is 5, 6, 7 years from now when I'm retired, I have a viable way that I continue to provide for my family that I find fulfillment in. The channel, it's pretty simple. It's just a journey. Either way it goes, whether it's just a hobby or whether it's a full-fledged business, it's just taking you along on the ride. So what expectations can you have going forward? Well, it's a woodworking channel, so there'll be plenty of that, hopefully. Projects, showing you some how-tos, maybe sharing some plans as soon as I figure out how to actually develop plans, and things of that nature. And then, tool reviews, right? Again, I have a few tools from when we used to refinish furniture and stuff, but my collection has gotten smaller since we moved out to Arizona. So I'll be looking to kind of pick up where we left off and purchase some new tools, share my initial impressions with them, and kind of a little review. So if joining me on this journey sounds like something you're interested in, please like and subscribe. Thank you.